Directly behind me is one of our 10-foot by 12-foot A-frame tiny cabins, and it's currently in what we would consider the structural phase. So we've already completed the structural base with 2x8 steel. It's been insulated with closed cell spray foam at a 3-inch depth. And now right behind me, you can see the uprights. So the side walls have been installed. This unit is 11 feet tall. It's 10 feet wide, and all the uprights are cut at about a 26-degree angle. They're spaced out 24 inches on center so that the plywood can easily be attached to them for that sheathing on there as well. After we completed the base, the thing we did directly after that was actually install the flooring. So you can see here the 4x8 sheet flooring. You can use 3/4-inch plywood or a marine grade plywood. It is installed staggered just to make sure it has that right stability. And then inside here, we did temporarily put some braces. So this is just to make sure that everything is maintaining that correct angle that it needs to be in during this construction process. Once all the exterior sheathing is completed, we'll be able to remove some of these pieces. Now, one of the things that is challenging is making sure that all of your sidewall framing is cut exactly the same. So I'd encourage you to figure out what that needs to be and then cut them all at one time so that there's no difference between them. So when they come together at a point like they do up top, they're nice and well connected and everything is square. Now, in order to keep them rigid, we did put a metal track down here at the bottom that these studs are screwed into on both sides. This helps to make sure that they're sturdy. They're also married to each other. So it's actually 2 studs right here instead of it just being 1. Now, these are metal studs. You don't have to do metal studs. More commonly, you're gonna be using wood studs. So for something this size, I'd recommend a 2x6 stud for this part. And then you can either have this directly nailed and screwed into your base floor, or you can have it connected to your floor joists. So once it's been framed up, the next step is adding the sheathing. So you can see here, these come in 4x8 sheets. These are spaced off at 24 inches, so we're able to attach them nicely. They're also staggered. We're gonna run these up both of the sides, and then we're gonna frame out the end walls and do the same. As you can see, even at this stage, when the structural is just completed, it's already starting to look really cool, and this is what is the draw about A-frames. It's that unique exterior aesthetic. If you're interested in adding an A-frame to your property, I'd encourage you to download our free A-Frame Jumpstart guide. Inside there, we have some different floor plan examples for you. We have a budgeting framework that's gonna help you basically estimate what your project is gonna cost. And then we also help guide you through the first initial steps as you're planning your build. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so go ahead and comment below. Let us know what you want to learn about in regards to A-frame construction. And we'll catch you on the next video.